Today I'm going to be unboxing this PopVoice lavalier microphone. If you watched my last video, you could hear some hum and hiss in my voice, and I thought I should get something. This is very cheap. It's only 10 bucks. So let's see if it works and if it makes my audio better. I wanted to try a cheap one first before I buy something like a Sony or other name brands. So let's see if this would work. So it comes in a velvet little bag, and please notice my voice right now. I'm just using my phone, and I'll compare it later after using this microphone if it's a little bit better. So it comes with this microphone, comes with this strap and this 3-ring. So it also comes with 3 extra head for the microphone, and then 2-ring audio thing connector, and that's all it comes with. So right now I'm going to try to connect this. So if your phone is like mine, I have a USB-C port, you would need this adapter. So I'm going to attach this right now and then insert it. See, I'm going to insert it and you should hear the click. There, you should hear the click. And then I'm going to attach it to my phone and start recording now. See if it's better. So now I'm connected. I'm using the microphone. I don't know if you could hear any better. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is with a microphone. And then I'm going to remove the microphone and try it with this is a normal phone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and see if you could see the difference. So I'm gonna pause this and listen to it and see if it worked. So after listening to the audio, I think it definitely did improve the voice. It made it a little bit more whole than like in the background, so I think it worked, and I'm gonna keep it. It's only $10, so I would definitely recommend it. $10 for PopVoice. They have like an upgrade, but I just stick with a basic version.